Today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Google Meet app not working. Start by opening the browser that you use to access Google Meet. Then go to the browser settings menu. On most browsers, you can find this by clicking the main menu icon in the top corner, then selecting Settings. Once you are on the settings page, look for a search bar or a way to search through the options. In the settings search box, type hardware acceleration. As you type, the settings page should filter results and show the relevant option. When you find the hardware acceleration section, you will see a toggle related to using graphics acceleration. After you toggle it off, you need to relaunch the browser. When you relaunch, watch for a clear improvement. If the page loads correctly and video controls appear normally, that indicates the setting change resolved the conflict. At this point, you can keep hardware acceleration off as a temporary workaround. Later, if you want to try improving performance again, you can experiment with turning it back on. That covers everything you need to know.